obviously this is something that's been talked about a lot. Is this something you actually see Donald Trump, if he becomes president, going forward with and actually doing?
Well, I don't think necessarily he would ban the entire Muslim population. Of course, that's the largest population on the planet. I do see that, he's very concerned about the Syrian and the Iraqi refugees that are fleeing the region, that ISIS has said that they will be putting, plants of their people inside these refugee groups. We've seen this in Europe. We saw what happened in Belgium at the airport. And now we're seeing how long the lines are here in the United States to get on an airplane, go through security. So you will see that, he will do maybe a smaller, idea of the ban. I think that for campaign reasons, it's a much more, he tries to...
Drama.
Yeah, more drama.
Yeah.
And it does.
It's working for him.
It's working for him, but how it's working for the United States and for us is we're talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
And the ability that we have in this country to discuss issues, not put them away in the closet and not discuss them. When we can discuss them open and out in front of everybody, the better we will be, and we'll be able to cope with these type of scenarios.
So what are some of the specific threats that the U.S. may face?
Okay. Well, for the United States specifically, the intel world has been talking about a report that came out of ISIS this last week, in which they discuss routes that actual drug cartels use to bring contraband into the country. And they're saying, if you believe them or not, of course, none of this is, provable, we can't trace it. But they're saying that they're using those similar routes to bring some sort of nuclear material across or underneath the border, and to use their terms, are using the tunnels under the border currently to bring, all kinds of different products that they can be put together to make a dirty bomb. Now, this concerns Americans, obviously, for our safety and security. And, again, just putting out there for people, if you see something, say something. I know it sounds like a small...
Trust your instinct.
Absolutely. Law enforcement will do with it what they can. If you see something, say something. And again, just sitting and talking about the issue does help. It will help the average person kind of feel like they're part of the conversation here.
Kimberly, thank you so much. Always a pleasure.
All right. Thank you.
We'll hear more from you next week.